So there's been some really big news regarding Ash versus Evil Dead. Stars has completely canned the series and isn't going to make a season 4. But BloodyDisgusting.com tweeted out to try and help there be a season 4 and see if it could potentially be picked up by Netflix. And I thought that was a really great idea. But then I just got completely just dropped on my head by this tweet that Bruce Campbell tweeted out. Big props to the fans for the effort, but I'm retiring as Ash, which is just crazy because Bruce Campbell has been playing Ash since I think the first Evil Dead came out in 1981. So this is just absolutely crazy news. And I really enjoyed Ash vs. Evil Dead. I thought the first couple seasons were great, and I thought they could have had a lot of longevity out of it, but it's just crazy that Bruce Campbell has tweeted this out, and I'm wondering if it's true or not. But as far as we can tell for, the future, that Bruce Campbell's not going to be playing Ash anytime soon. So I just want to get this news out quickly to you all, and thanks for watching.